Welcome to watch today's fresh home. Located in a leafy Toronto neighborhood, this mid-century inspired home, designed by Leah Miller for herself and her musician husband, Dallas Green, is imbued with a sense of harmony. Miller discovered a penchant for interior design while working on the couple's previous home in Nashville. So when they came across this Ravine-side property near Toronto city centre, she quickly saw the potential in its distinctive form and secluded setting. The U-shaped layout of Ravine House curves around a sheltered pool courtyard, bringing natural light into the interior spaces year-round.